Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by signing into your Apple ID in Settings. This confirms your account and purchases. Once signed in, tap Family Sharing and choose Set up your family to start the organizer role. Add or confirm a shared payment method so purchases can be approved. This simplifies sharing subscriptions and App Store purchases. Next, invite people by entering their Apple ID email or phone number, or create accounts for children. Doing these steps now saves time later and prevents permission issues. Once your family group exists, configure what you share, tap each service and toggle iCloud storage, Apple Music, or photo sharing as needed. Make sure location sharing is active so family members can find each other. This helps safety and device tracking. For purchases, enable purchase sharing to consolidate billing and set Ask to Buy for kids to approve purchases through the organizer. Finally, choose a family iCloud storage plan and assign storage to members. This prevents backups from failing and keeps photos and documents synced. To finish, confirm every invited member accepted the invitation on their device. Once done, check their account settings to ensure the same country and updated OS versions to avoid sharing restrictions. Make sure everyone is signed into the correct Apple ID and that purchase sharing and permissions reflect your intentions. If a member doesn't appear, resend the invite or have them sign out and sign back in. If errors persist, restart devices or contact Apple support. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched country settings often block family sharing. Verify and correct that first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.